Do you want to earn money online from blogging? Here you go. This video is special for you. In this video, we will explain how to make money online from blogging. Stay connected with us to know all that and watch complete video. Follow these 6 steps to learn how to start a blog and make money today. 1. Pick your blog name and niche. First, it's time to pick a name and niche for your new blog. Your blog's name is what readers will see first, like yourblog.com, so it should ideally represent either the general topics you'll be writing about, or it could be your own name, that of your business, a clever combination of words, or otherwise. Your blog's niche is the general topic area that you'll be focusing your content around. Examples include blog topics like travel, food, fashion, lifestyle, technology, and otherwise. Incorporating a word or two that clearly signals what your content is about within the name of your blog, like fashionbajane.com or hikuthrian.com, will be very helpful for your future blog readers. 2. Get your blog online, web hosting. The second step in starting a blog is actually getting your blog online. That's what a web hosting company will do for you. In this step, you'll be selecting the blogging platform and web hosting plan you'll use to get your blog online. The combination of blogging platform and web hosting I personally use, and that most other bloggers use, is a WordPress blog hosted by Bluehost. WordPress is a free publishing platform that's been around since 2003 and now powers more than 60% of all blogs on the internet. Bluehost is one of the most established, reliable companies in the blog hosting industry. This combination is what we'll be using to start your blog. Now let's get your hosting set up. 3. Choose your web hosting plan. First, you'll select a hosting plan. Inputting your blog name comes next. Personally, I recommend choosing the Choice Plus plan because it comes with domain privacy, which will protect your personal information, your full name, email address, phone number and home address, from being published anywhere online. As I said above, I recommend choosing the Choice Plus plan so that you're getting the domain privacy feature that'll protect your personal information online. But any of these plans will do as you're starting your blog, and you can add the domain privacy in later during the checkout process for around $1 mo. 4. Pick your blog's domain name. Once you get to this step in the checkout process, just type in the name of the domain name that you'd like your blog to have. If your domain name of choice isn't available, you can either try another option that comes to mind or select the option to choose your domain name later, after getting the rest of your account squared away and taking a little more time to think the name through. After either choosing your domain name or opting to select it later, you'll be taken to the final step in the sign-up process, creating your account. 5. Create your Bluehost account. Start by filling in your account details like your name, email address. It's super important to use an up-to-date email address because this is where your login details and account information will be sent, and address. If you don't want to enter your information manually, you can connect your Bluehost account with your Google account. Either works. 6. Select the right hosting plan package. This is where you'll choose an account plan based on the price you want to lock in and how far in advance you'll pay for your blog's hosting. Note that Bluehost only offers options for you to pay 1, 2, 3 or 5 years up front. They don't offer a monthly payment option because most hosting companies that do offer monthly payments tend to charge a bit more. Even still, with whichever plan you choose, the price works out to be a great deal for starting your own blog and getting it online today. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, give it like, and if you want more videos related to making money ideas, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell icon.